Unlock the future of fashion visualization by harnessing the power of OpenAI's Sora. Step 1 is crafting your vision through precise prompts. Think about the essence of your model, describe their defining features, like a woman with sharp, angular features and vibrant blue eyes, or a male model with a strong, sculpted jawline and short, dark hair. To guide Sora towards fashion, inject industry vocabulary. Use terms like high fashion editorial, couture garment, or runway ready. Specify the mood and environment, a dramatic, dimly lit studio setting, or a bright, aerial beach backdrop. Diversity is key. Explicitly request inclusivity in your prompts to generate a wide spectrum of models. Consider prompts such as a plus-size model with graceful posture, or an androgynous model exuding confidence. Now let's talk style. You can influence the artistic direction. Try adding phrases like photorealistic, cinematic lighting, or painterly texture to achieve your desired look for a specific fashion aesthetic. Experiment with minimalist chic, avant-garde streetwear, or vintage glamour. To refine your results, iterate on your prompts. If a model isn't quite right, adjust the details. For instance, if the hair color is off, simply add with fiery red hair. You can also specify the pose, a commanding stance, or a relaxed, casual posture. By mastering these prompt strategies and stylistic adjustments, you can leverage Sora to create truly captivating and diverse fashion model imagery, revolutionizing how brands visualize their campaigns and collections for the future.